Everyone, so today I have two projects to share with you. The first one's going to be a mini album. I haven't made an album in absolutely ages, and I happen to have a bit of free time to make one. So I have made this for a friend that I'm going to send to her. So I've used the Gorgeous Girls papers. And these are that old collection. I've had these for a couple of years now. So it came with some of the decoupages, and it came with the papers and the cut out sort of pieces. So I've used that throughout the album. So I use chipboard for the covers. I tend to get my chipboard from Every Crafts a Pound. It's kind of like a grey board more than a chipboard, and that's what I use. You can get quite different sizes in thickness of chipboard, and I tend to go for the thicker one because it's like a bit more sturdier. So I've just used that for the front cover, the side and the back. This album measures, I'll just quickly measure it for you. It's about 7.5 inches tall. It's then about 4.5 width. The spine is about 2 and about 1/8. Yeah, so hold on, some of the pieces have come out. So yeah, so just made the covers out of chipboard. I've covered it in the papers from the collection. Used some of the frames that you get in the collection to sort of stack them, make a collage kind of thing at the back. Use this is kind of like a lace, like a ribbon, came on a reel, and it's got all like holes in it. Just put that in various places. Use one of the girls and sort of layered her up with foam dots underneath. These resin pieces, my friend Natasha sent those in a rack. The wooden pieces up top here, I picked these up. I need to glue these down because they're not staying, so I'm just going to kind of maybe put some glue dots underneath just to hold each one kind of in place because they're sort of all over the place. I used some twine to hold those. These I picked up, they're like little little wooden pieces, and they were from the works. The twine was from my stash. I think that's American Crafts twine. I think I picked that up in TK Maxx when they do the packs of twine. The little flowers here, I used a little metal die. I'm not sure if I've got that one to hand. Not sure where I've put that one. And I picked that up in a magazine. You know, and you get, oh, here it is. You know, you get some, like, you get free dies and stamps sometimes in a magazine. I couldn't tell you what magazine. So the magazine that I got this came free in it, and it came with some other stamps and that, but I've just used that to make the little flowers. The larger flower here is the Tim Holtz, where have I put that one? Oh, here is this one. Alterations die, tattered florals, and it comes with 4 different flowers, and I just used this one and layered it up. So that's the flowers on the front there. Oh, in the back there, I don't know if you can see, I have used some hearts. So that one there, and then this is a heart, scalloped heart at the back. And I used this die set that I picked up in the range. I think it's just one of their dies. So I used the smallest one and the large one at the back. And then inside, it's just quite simple album, just mainly for photos. So I've left this all plain, and then on the other side is a pocket. And again, I've used some of the tags and some of the cut out pieces that come in the collection. So you can use those for journaling, or if you've got like a smaller kind of photo, you could stick that on the back there. So each page is the same, so you've got plain this side, and then the opposite side is a pocket. And again, some more cut out pieces. You could even use these as like bookmarks, and you know, put them with a clip on the page if you wanted, or you could do like journaling. You could put lines on the back. So whatever this, who I'm sending it to, whatever she wants to do with it, put that little tab there. Again, she can stamp something there or journal. And two of the gorgeous girls images, they're in sort of like black and white ones. And then more tags and some more. These came in the collection as well. I've just popped those up on some foam dots. And then this is the last page. Some more tags. This ribbon came in the collection, and then this butterfly actually came off an old like birthday card or something like that. And I just kept it. It's got a little rhinestone already on it, and it kind of matches the papers. And then this tag came in with the collection. And then this is the last page. So load of more tags. So plenty of room for journaling. She could even sort of, you know, stick some of these in if she didn't want to use them all for journaling. And stick photos at the back here. And then they just slide all in. And you can even journal on these pieces. I've left that blank again for journal or whatever. And that's it. So that's the first project I've done. And then the second one is this. I made, in my previous video, I made a mermaid banner. And I had the other collection that the range does, which is this one. And this is all like unicorns. So these are the papers. I'll just quickly go through them. They're all the papers that you get with the collection. So really pretty, you know, magical unicorn ones. And I just done, like I did the mermaid banner, I just did this unicorn one. I'll just take it all out. So again, it's just the rosettes on each one. Let's just come off there. The tassel at the bottom. Need to make sure I stick that down. So I've just spelled on the banner, I've spelled unicorn, because the other one I put mermaid. So I've done unicorn on this one. These stickers I had, let's see if I've got it to hand. So I picked this up from the local craft shop, again with the mermaid ones, and it just comes with all these different unicorn and castles, flowers and all that, little princess stickers. So I've put those on various places. And I've put some of that trim again, some of that eyelet trim on the back, and then little blingy sort of rhinestones again in various places. The little bows was from Poundland. There's that is it Mickey Mouse or Minnie Mouse collection? I haven't got, don't think I've got them to hand, but it's the little rhinestones that come in that Disney collection that they do in Poundland. So I've just put that on every one at the bottom. This scalloped banner, this time I didn't have any left from the works, so I picked this up in the range. And this is the banner punch by We Are Memory Keepers. It's really good. You can do 3 different designer banners, so you can do this one and this one, and I think there's another one you can do. I'm sure there's 3. It's only got 2 different types on there, but I'm sure there is 3 different ones you can like shape out. So yeah, it's really good, really easy to use. And all I did to get the scalloped on the edge, so I obviously cut out just the plain one, and all I did, I have scissors that do all different sort of shapes on the edging, so I just use those to make the scallop on the edge. there. So yeah, if you're interested, they have this in the range, and it's just magnet that holds this together, and like I said, it's really easy to use. And then you can get exact size that you want. The stickers, they're like little chipboard stickers in this like vibrant pink. I again picked up from Poundland. Again, it's that Mickey Mouse Disney collection, and you just get all those stickers in it. So yeah, I think it really turned out really well. I've just put some crowns on the unicorns. That one, again, these are all stickers. Oh, some of the stickers do need a little bit. I just kind of stuck them on with the sticky that was already on there, but I need to take them off and just put some extra glue on the back one, because it's not very strong and they're not gonna sort of stay on very well. So I need to go and do that. To make the holes in the banner, I just put one either side. I didn't put two in the middle like I did on the other banner. I just used my crocodile, We Are Memory Keepers crocodile puncher to punch those holes, and then again it's just some ribbon I already had in my stash. Threaded that all the way through, and that's pretty much it. I just kind of repeated the papers throughout the banner, and then added more rhinestones, different coloured rhinestones, more of that tassel. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do give it a thumbs up, and subscribe if you haven't already to see more videos, and I'll see you in my next one. Take care. Bye.